Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto Service. We've come down to the house of one of our clients who has wanting to get a car steamed. The car was not in a very bad shape, but when we came, when we started dry vacuuming, we saw all this mold accumulated under the seat. There we go. So we're going to again use steam to make sure that this is all going to be cleaned up, and then we're going to steam clean the entire car. The rest of the car seems to be pretty okay. Not too much of, it's not very bad, but this mold is going to be an issue. It's an older lady and we want to make sure that she's going to be healthy after we are done. So we're going to also, after doing the entire interior detailing, we will be doing an ozone treatment too, so that we make sure that we get rid of everything. Let's start. So we are back now. We had to stop for a bit to refill our steam tank, but we are back and we starting this steaming process again. So Mo, can you do it? Okay, so
with a bowl.
Okay. So as you can see, the steam cleaner is basically killing all the mold. Okay, Mo, can you stop for a minute so that we can take a picture of, take the video of how it's looking. So as you can see, we've gotten rid of all the mold which is there in the carpet. Wet vacuum will take care of whatever else is there, and the ozone protection should then destroy everything. I also see some mold formation on the seat out here. So Mo, can you just run some steam here on these areas with a black brush, maybe, or so basically what we're doing is we're extracting everything out. You can see it's all clean. Most of the stuff is all gone. All the white particles which you've seen earlier in mold is gone. So now we're going to get down to doing the rest of the car, the regular interior detailing. We had to make sure that we had got rid of all the mold which was under the seat before we did the rest of the car, because we need to make sure that our technician is safe. We'll keep taking before and after pictures to show you how things look. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, the phone number is 604-518-6684. If you need to get a detailing done for your car, if you have mold or any other issues, we come to your house and your location and take care of all your problems.